All right, so real quick, I'm going to show you how to fix a person's name throughout all of your content that is generated. It actually starts here. So we have a podcast, we have the host name, and then we have the guest name, which is Kristen, but his name is actually Christian. And so when we submit and continue and see the transcript, you'll see like the transcript, the AI thought that the name was Christian. And so we really need to rename that to be Kristen. This is just a quick example of how to do that. And so to do that, you actually have to get off of this little modal here, visit the transcript page, and then you'll see Christian is still here, but you can search and replace. So you can search up Christian and then type in Kristen, or whatever the name is, modify the transcript, and you'll see everywhere the Christian is now Kristen. And that's how you can change the transcript. And the transcript is what is used to generate all the other content. And so it ends up being that the name is correct in every piece of content that is generated. You have to make sure that you do that before you submit right here. So like this, clicking this submit button, then the transcript is solidified and you can't make changes. It'll use the wrong name throughout all of the content. So now you just label the speakers. This first one is Jacob, the second one is Kristen, and click submit. And now all this content is generated with the correct name. So super quick demo on how to ensure that the correct names are used in all the content that is generated. Cheers.